Tianjin Haoledi Technology Company Limited is located in Shuchuangli Creative Park, Nankai District, Tianjin. We have our own factory and enjoy a superior geographical location, close to Tianjin Port. With convenient transportation, we produce electric vehicles, including electric bicycles, electric tricycles, electric quadricycles, etc., and can accept customer requirements. We have over 10 years of industry experience and are a reliable manufacturer. Our products have strict quality control from the procurement of raw materials to the sale of finished products. The company has established a quality management system that complies with the requirements of the International Quality Management System. The company has professional technical workers and advanced production equipment which can meet the quality and quantity requirements of customers. We have our own production line, which can fully meet the needs of customers. We have professional technical experts who can provide timely and effective guidance on any technical issues. Our company has always been committed to the quality and innovation of products and develops new products to provide the market with more creative and effective products to meet the needs of our customers and the market conditions of the country. Our products are sold all over the world. Meanwhile, our strict requirements for product quality have won the appreciation of customers, and they are constantly repurchasing. This has greatly encouraged us, and we will redouble our efforts. We can accept OEM and ODM. Friends from all over the world are welcome to visit our factory, and at the same time establish long-term cooperation with us to achieve a win-win effect.